Hey guys, and welcome back to new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So because the TikTok developer console changed a lot in the recent period, I want to redo the tutorial video of the TikTok-O-Matic plugin and show you how to create a new TikTok app using the latest console. So for this, you will need to install the TikTok-O-Matic plugin and go to the main settings, hover over the question mark next to TikTok client ID and click here. And here you will be able to sign up or sign into your TikTok developer console and click manage apps, connect an app, and here you will get your first app created, and you can already copy the client key from here and directly add it in the plugin settings, and client secret from here and add it here. Afterwards, we can go ahead and add the required settings, which will be displayed here. So we need to add this URL, which is in red. So be sure to copy the red URL from here to here, and we need to click add products and be sure to add webhooks. So this is important as it works with login kits, so add login kit first and add also webhooks. Also, video kit needs to be added if you want to upload videos to TikTok, and add also TikTok API. So everything needs to be added here. Click done, and afterwards go to webhooks, and you can paste the URL from the plugin which it provided here, and paste it here. So this is a localhost URL, and because the TikTok developer console is not accepting it, but in your case this will be accepted and this error will not be shown for you. So afterwards, in the TikTok API, you can edit scopes and add the video upload scope, just to be sure that the plugin is able to upload videos for you. If you want, you can also list videos, but this is optional. And also you need to add the terms of service URL here from your site. Be sure to link this to a valid terms of service page, and also the privacy policy URL to a valid privacy policy page. After this is done, you can save changes and submit for review to TikTok. And after they approve the app, you will be able to use the plugin and post automatically your videos to TikTok. So yeah, this is how to set up your app in TikTok new developer console. You need to add products here, and in the webhooks, you will need to add the callback URL that the plugin adds here in red. Also, if you save here settings and click WordPress to TikTok, the URL will be provided also here, and this can be copied directly from here and added here, and it will work. Okay, so let's this is all for the setup of the plugin. As you can see, localhost is not approved by TikTok, but if you have a real domain here and not just the testing localhost domain, it will work. So yeah, this is all for today. Also, one more thing, in the configuration, be sure to add an app icon, app name, category, select a category which is applied to your app, and also a nice description, and select configure for web and add your website's URL here. So the URL is something like, if you have a similar URL. Okay, so these are all the requirements which need to be done for TikTok app setup using the TikTok-O-Matic plugin. I hope this tutorial will help. Until next time, bye bye.